Today we're going to learn how to make some solid granny squares. These are great for bags and clothing where you want a more of a solid look. It also has these lovely diagonal lines, which when you have a lot of them put together, gives a really interesting look. So let's get started. I'm going to use some worsted weight yarn and cotton and a 5mm hook. Start with a slip knot and chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We're now going to make a ring by slip stitching into that first chain. So insert, pull through and then pull through the loop already on the hook. And we have a little ring. If you're more experienced, you can do a magic ring. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That counts as 1 double crochet and 2 chains. We're now going to do 3 double crochet into the middle of that ring. Number 2 and number 3. Here we go, that's our first cluster. Chain 2 for a corner and chain 3 back into the ring. So far this looks pretty much like a regular granny square. There's our second cluster. That'll become a side. Another corner now. Chain 2 and 3 double crochet into the ring. It'll be getting a little bit tighter, but you should have enough room to complete the round. There we go, there's the next cluster. If you've run out of room there, just move that along a little bit. Chain 2. And we're going to complete our last cluster. So that chain we did at the beginning is the last double crochet. We need to do 2 double crochet before that to complete a cluster of 3. So 1 and 2. And to join the round, we're going to do a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. And there is our round 1. As I said, it looks pretty much like a regular granny square. We have 4 sides and 4 corners. For row 2, we're going to slip stitch to the corner. So that's just 1 slip stitch and then chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That counts as a double crochet and a corner, which is 2 chains. 2 double crochet into the corner. That's the corner completed. Now here's where it starts to be solid and differ from your regular granny square. We're going to crochet into the top of each of those double crochets from the previous row. So that's 3 across there. So double crochet into the top of each one. 1 and 2 and 3. Look at our nice side that's forming. We're up to the corner. We're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. That will be the same for every corner. Quite easy to remember, 2, 2, 2. Here's our chains, 2 chains and another 2 double crochet. Next side we'll have the same, we'll do 3 double crochet. Sometimes to find the first one you just have to move the corner across a little bit, otherwise it can hide. That's why counting is sometimes important. 1, 2 and 3. And just continue that pattern until we get to the end here. So we have a corner, 3, corner and 3. And then I'll meet you there and I'll tell you what to do to complete it. We're now back at the beginning and we need to do 1 double crochet just to complete that corner. And slip stitch into the 3rd chain. And that completes our row. You're now just going to repeat. Slip stitch to the corner, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 double crochet to complete the corner. And remember last time we had 3 stitches along the side? We now have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each side in each row will increase by 4 stitches. So the next side will have 11. and we're at the corner, 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. Repeat that pattern till you get to the end, and don't forget that last double crochet into the corner and slip stitch to join, and then continue until your solid granny square is your desired size. And here's our solid granny square nearly finished. A few more side stitches. You can make it as small or big as you want. Here we go, the last corner. And join it up. Here's our finished square. Make sure you block your squares just so they have a nicer flat shape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.